Okay, next one up, a new client with his lovely Triumph Tiger. Luckily, it has been well looked after. He has ACF 50'd it over and over again, so the spokes are in very good shape. Just needs that little trot TLC, so we're going to get it all minted up. We'll get that exhaust all polished. I'll get that belly pan off of there. We'll remove all this old ACF 50. Once we get it all clean, then we'll polish up that exhaust, and then we'll mist it with XCP corrosion protection. We'll put the XCP clear all over the engine and the suspension linkages, and we will brush the XCP orange on all your spoke nipples, spokes, banjo bolts, any other bits and pieces that I think might corrode. This is a 2014 model, very nice shape. Like I said, it just needs that little trot TLC. He is going to go with a full works package, which will include the half price ceramic edition. So that also includes a 2-stage machine polish on the tank, windscreen, front mudguard there before we apply the ceramics. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get it snow foamed, get all this dirt off, and then we'll get down to some cleaning, and then we'll do some detailing on it. Let's get that belly pan off so as to have access to that exhaust. Let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Triumph Tiger has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. It is as new. Luckily, the gentleman had been keeping this nice. He ACF 50'd it every year. That's why it's got no corrosion on it. This is why it's so important to keep your bike properly protected. Look at that, not a speck of rust on those spokes. Anyway, we done a full Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, moved all the old ACF 50. It was all on it. Got all that off. So we started fresh again. We then misted it with XCP clear coat, all the motor, all behind your rad, all your suspension linkages, all had a nice misting of the XCP clear coat, as well as the spokes. Cleaned up all these discs. We then put the XCP orange on all your banjo bolts, pinch bolts, anything else that I think might corrode. Had a nice coating. We degreased all that old chain lube off, re-lubed it back up, Silcoline titanium gel, got all that burnt on tar off the exhaust. We mirror polished it up afterwards. I then got down to polishing the exhaust, took the belly pan off. Look at this exhaust, it has come up like new. I see other Valitors videos and they never do a good video close-up afterwards, but look at that, that is like brand new. So that's all been polished. We use the white diamond metal polish, which also leaves a protecting coating. So yes, we then cracked on with a bit of paint correcting. It wasn't too bad, this paint work. It's got a couple of little marks on there, but we did a 2-stage machine polish, Cartec 3000, then finished off with a 9000. I then prepped it all, and we treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Look at the gloss on that. Oh my God, like a mirror. Yes, 2.5 hours. This Tiger 800 XC has been trotted, ready for the winter ahead. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now at 07966 249 963.